Hello and welcome to the Prep Night with me, Dr. Namika Chauhan. First of all, let me welcome you to Magnificent Morning. I'm so happy and excited to see you here. And this call is regarding to help you prepare yourself to sleep better so that you can wake up early in the morning with ease. But before I proceed, I want to tell you why I do what I do. See, I'm a wife of a mariner. I know how it takes when we are managing too many things together. And what does it mean when I'm talking about multitasking? I'm a mother of a darling daughter. I'm also a serial entrepreneur. I have run few businesses in past. I'm a professor, and as you say, once a professor, always a professor. So reason number one, I'm here to help each one of you is this. I'm a PhD from IIT Bombay, and I'm a master coach and trainer, which means I have coached many students in past who are brilliant coaches today and helping so many people, serving them with so much of talent. I have been in this field for since 2013, and some of my past students as coaches are Vinayak, Hazel, Pavan, Shilpa, Shibram, and Preeti. There are many coaches who are still taking their international certificate training to become a certified coach with me. If you want to know more details about it, you can visit my website or you can write an email to us on support@anamikachauhan.com. Moving on, when it comes to my associations and accreditations, these are the organizations with whom I'm associated with, and they know very well what exactly I do as a coach or a master trainer. CCF, NLPA, IIT Bombay, and Association for Coaching. So, let me help you understand one thing. You are not ordinary anymore, you are magnificent now. So, as the sun rises and we start our day from Monday mornings, it is going to happen such that we are going to be different than the other. And what is that major difference? We understood why it is important to sleep early and wake up early. What exactly we're going to learn out of this and how it is going to add so much value to our own life. This is going to be a journey of transformation. The reason number one why we are magnificent from now on is because we know the cost you are paying for sleeping late and waking up late. Be it mental fatigue, productivity is less, time management is not happening, people are not happy with us, we are not happy with people in our relationship. Somewhere we feel we are cheating on us and we are also falling for imposter syndrome. So, why to short sell? Why not to remember and understand what and how much potential we have and how to make the most of it? Another reason is the reason why we have joined this course, Magnificent Morning, is because you believe in law of attraction and purpose of setting successful habits. You thought about taking care of your sleep and you decided to wake up early. And hence you saw my advertisement on Facebook or Instagram or any media and you decided to join the program. This is called as law of attraction. So, my dear friends, now that you have decided to be a part of this journey, don't give in. Stay with me till the end because that's my promise. When you do it with me, when we do this together, we not only feel blessed, but we are also having the power to bless others, which is also something going to be another successful habit for us to practice. So let me help you with few ground rules to follow. Group shifting is not allowed. Since you have part of this week, you will continue in this week itself. Recordings will be shared on Friday evening to download and will be deleted on Sunday 7 p.m. We will not be sharing the recording after the class. So in case you are missing the live session, you will have to wait till Friday to receive them. For any queries or concern, email on support@anamikachauhan.com. To join the class live, follow the link given in group description of your WhatsApp group. So do not message any admin on WhatsApp. Do not call or video call any admin for any query or support. No cross branding, data stealing, or promotion or forming subgroup in the group is allowed. Once found, strict action will be taken. So let's come to the night before Magnificent Morning. And this is supposed to be for the whole week from Monday to Friday, including if you can do it for your weekends. Let's cover the number one part, that is daily self-care mantra. Sunday self-care is about I can take one step at a time. When it comes to sleeping, we are always engrossed with various other thoughts or we are continuously scrolling our mobile phone to see how other people have recorded a particular reel. This is going to make us a multitasker. Sleeping demands be a single tasker, surrender your body, surrender your mind, and sleep on time. I'm also going to share with you what is the ideal time to sleep. In order to make your sleep more memorable, make sure that you sleep early every night. Listen to music, and we will also be sharing these music in the WhatsApp group daily. Now, when you play this music, it makes your sleeping more easy, and you should trust your coach, that is me, on these. In order to make your sleep more beautiful, we are going to add few more ideas, few more actions, which has going to help your left brain to relax so that you can sleep at ease. And hence, when you wake up early in the morning at 5 a.m. to attend the session, you are energetic. So in order to follow your night routine, number one thing is focus on finishing your work by 8 p.m. So when I say focus, your mind has to be told and given the instruction because you are controlling the mind. Your mind cannot control you. Even if your mind tells you, no, this is not possible, you have to tell yourself, I'm going to make this possible. Again, second part is take salt bath to release tiredness and negativity. Salt has the property that is called as NaCl. It is helpful in removing all the negativity, tiredness, fatigue from our body. All you have to take is take a handful of salt, like just a fistful. Okay, just a fistful of salt. It can be any salt, Tata salt, Patanjali salt, Epsom salt, Himalayan pink salt, any salt. Take this salt and rub it on your body, neck and below. Okay, don't put it on your face, don't put it on your hair, neck and below. And tell yourself, I am releasing my tiredness, fatigue, negative thoughts, anger, frustration from my system right now. And then rinse your body with water. You can use any temperature of water, cool or warm or hot. It is absolutely okay. You can do this salt water bath and you should be doing it twice a day, before breakfast and before dinner. Why we are doing salt water bath? Again, this is helpful to release our tiredness and fatigue so that we sleep beautifully and we wake up fresh. And also throughout the day, we remain fresh. You can try this salt water bath for your whole family, even for babies or kids. It has no side effect. Even our kids these days, they get very, very stressed out. They can't tell us. So you do this with them, they will also enjoy and they will also feel relaxed to sleep early. Have your dinner without screen by 9:30 p.m. We often feel that eating food is a boring task and hence we start watching some content while we are eating food. But the point is, we are doing all the hard work to eat that food which is kept on our plate. So why to disrespect? It's better you pay attention to your food, have some chit chat with your family members while having it. If you stay alone, in that case also you should finish the food by maybe having a good sight in front of you. Maybe you're watching over a garden, but try to have it as early as possible. In my case, my personal dinner time is between 7:30 to 8 p.m. because I sleep between 8:30 to 9 p.m. and because I wake up at 4 a.m. Now, let's talk about powerful face time. So, what is powerful face time? Before breakfast and after dinner, when you are brushing your teeth, you are going to have eye to eye contact, looking in the mirror, and say four statements to yourself. I am strong, I am beautiful or handsome, I am lovable, and universe loves me. When you say these kind of statements, looking in the mirror, eye to eye contact, it helps you to be a finisher of every task that you take in your hand. Just like Magnificent Morning, you have decided to join this course not to understand the concept or follow it, but to actually experience it. So you are going to be a finisher from day one till the last day, and you are going to attend the session live every single day. Plus, wear your mild perfume before going to bed. Mild fragrance is always helpful to calm down our nerves. So when you are sleeping peacefully, when you want to wake up early, it becomes a lot easier. Follow this night routine. It will help you to sleep well and wake up early. Also, once you're done with all these, after having your dinner, after wearing that mild perfume, start reading a hard copy of a book. The reason why you should be reading a hard copy of a book and not a Kindle version or a soft copy, because eyes are very sensitive in the night time. If you are showing lot of screen to our eyes, your brain is receiving a message. It is still a daytime. Hence, it is important that you are reading a hard copy of a book. Also, reading any book, any hard copy of the book in the night time helps you to process your vocabulary when you are sleeping. So make sure you have a hard copy of a book, which is a good book, kept on the side table of your bed. Plus, I will ask you to guess the name of a book based on its summary on a daily basis during the live session. Now let's talk about the quality of sleep, Dove sleep and bubble sleep. Dove sleep means that we sleep and in between we are waking up. Bubble sleep is we slept and we don't wake up at all. We directly wake up when we have to. So in order to take care of our dove sleep, it is important that we remind ourselves it is absolutely okay. Go to sleep again if it is still not the time to be awake. Be fully relaxed. It is very common with many people. But because you will be doing your salt water bath and you will sleep early and wake up early, your dove sleep will transition into bubble sleep. Keep do not disturb mode or Zen mode in your phone on and keep your night alarm of 10 to 10:30 in case you feel you are not going to be regular with your sleep time. If you are anywhere planning to sleep after 10:30, night alarm is a must for you. My dear friends, quantity of sleep it still doesn't matter. It's the quality of sleep that matters. So when you are having a deep sleep of 4 hours and REM, that is your rapid eye movement of 1.5 hours, you're actually having a good sleep. You can only track these by having a smartwatch in your hand. Now let's talk about being a own role model. That is by joining the 5 a.m. club. Make sure you are setting triple alarms because snoozing is bad for heart. Set alarm for 5 a.m. and 5:15 a.m. and 5:30 a.m. When you are setting these alarms, it becomes easier for you to attend the session live. And make sure that you share your joy in family, inspire others on social media, drink chamomile tea or herbal tea in the night or in the evening, and pray for your success. Often we forget to bless ourselves. When you are inspiring people on social media, they look up to you. They may not clap for you or like your post immediately, but they are somewhere seeing that change in you. Plus, you also feel accountable to them. Hence, do this and see the change. Make sure that you tell your family members that you have decided to be an early riser for this week and see the change in your own mindset. I'm also sharing my prayer with all of you. This prayer will be shared in the WhatsApp group as well. You can practice saying this prayer before you go to bed. Coming to the session setup. This entire session you have to attend from a table and chair and not from your bed. Make sure that you are keeping a drinking water, pen and a notebook because we are going to do a lot of exercises and some dry fruits. And the most important part is I'm going to see you with your camera on. The reason is when you show up and you're staying alert, you're getting the maximum out of the particular session. In case you feel by sleeping behind the camera, you will get maximum out of it. Trust me, you will not get anything. Attendance is compulsory because it's a live workshop. Doing assignment and designing your badge will help you to earn a surprise gift from our side at the end of the week. So make sure when I'm giving you one assignment, you do it and earn your badge as well. Okay? So do not worry about how you look. It is important how you show up for the desire that you have, which is everything to do with you. Because in the live session, you are going to be the most important person for me. 5 days of magnificent life celebration is going to begin. Daily, I'm going to give you one task to grow exponentially, and we will also be doing a live meditation. Daily, we will be practicing a mental movie where you see yourself as an early riser along with your family and feeling happy and proud of yourself. And the reason why we should be early riser and how it makes us rich, I'm going to explain you in this life week workshop as well. Towards the end, don't disappoint me. Support and encourage each other in the group. No hate messages, no forwards, or no negative thoughts. No arguments, no discussions, or topics not related to the workshop should be covered, or else you will be removed from the group as well as will be reported in IT Cell Crime Branch. Thank you, and I'll see you at 5:30 a.m. from Monday to Friday. Let me show you something more, which I really want to help you and feel the difference between the two. Hence, take a look.